Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Mr. E, your favorite channel for learning real English through beautiful stories.
Today we have a very long and special story for beginners.
It's about two old friends who meet after many years.
They talk about life, dreams, problems, happy memories, and how to find motivation again.
You will learn hundreds of simple phrases for talking about jobs, family, feelings, past and future plans.
Listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice with your friends.
The story is called Finding Your Dream Again.
Meet Alex and Sophia, best friends from college.
Ready? Let's start. Sophia! Oh my God, is that really you?
Alex! Wow, yes, it's me. I can't believe it.
10 years. It's been 10 whole years.
I know. You look the same, but with a little beard now.
Thank you. And you look even more beautiful.
Stop it. You always say sweet things.
It's true. Come here. Big hug.
Big hug. I missed you so much.
Me too. How did you find me?
Social media. I saw your post about this coffee shop.
Good detective work. Sit down. What do you want to drink?
A cappuccino, please, with extra foam.
Same as college days. I remember.
You remember everything.
Of course. Best friend forever.
Best friend forever. So tell me, what are you doing now?
I work in marketing. Big company in the city.
Marketing? You always loved drawing and ideas.
Yes, I make advertisements and campaigns.
Sounds exciting. Do you like it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Busy life.
I understand. And you? Married? Kids?
Not married yet. Single. Too much work.
Same here. Single. Work, work, work.
What do you do now?
I'm a teacher. High school English teacher.
Perfect for you. You always explained things so well.
Thank you. I love the students. Most days.
Most days. Teachers have hard jobs.
Very hard. Grading papers every night.
I remember your dream. You wanted to write books.
Yes. Children's stories. But life happened.
What about your dream? You wanted to start a design company.
Still want to, but safe job pays bills.
I know the feeling. Dreams wait sometimes.
Too long sometimes. Coffee's here.
Thank you. Cheers to old friends.
Cheers to college memories.
Remember our first day in college?
How can I forget? We met in the library.
You helped me find a book.
And you offered me coffee.
Best decision of my life.
Sweet talker. Remember the late night study sessions?
Yes, pizza at 2 a.m.
And talking until sunrise.
About dreams, travel, everything.
We wanted to travel the world together.
Europe, Asia, beaches everywhere.
We made a list. 20 countries.
I still have that list in my drawer.
Really? I lost mine.
I'll send you a photo later.
Please do. Remember the college festival?
Our dance performance?
We practiced for weeks.
And won second prize.
Second is good. First was too serious.
We had so much fun.
Pure happiness. No worries.
Only exams and assignments.
Life was simple then.
Young and free.
Now, responsibilities everywhere.
So, tell me honestly, are you happy?
Most days, yes. But sometimes, I feel stuck.
Stuck? How?
Same routine every day. Wake up, teach, grade, sleep.
No time for yourself?
Very little. I stopped writing stories.
That makes me sad. You were so good.
Thank you. I have ideas in my head.
Write them down.
I try, but tired after work.
I understand. My job, meetings all day.
Do you still draw?
Only small sketches on weekends.
We both stopped our passions.
Life pulls us away sometimes.
Family pressure, too.
Tell me about your family.
Mom and Dad are good. They want me to marry soon.
Classic parents.
They set up dates every month.
Do you go?
Sometimes, but no connection.
You need someone who understands your dreams.
Exactly. What about your parents?
Same story. When will you settle down?
We're only 32.
Plenty of time.
But days pass fast.
Too fast. I feel tired sometimes.
Me too. Body and mind tired.
Work pressure?
Yes, and comparing with others on social media.
Everyone shows perfect life online.
Houses, vacations, weddings.
But real life has struggles.
We hide the hard parts.
I stopped scrolling too much.
Good idea. It helps.
Sophia, let's talk seriously.
Okay, I'm listening.
Do you still want to write books?
Yes. Deep inside, yes.
Then why not start again?
Fear. What if I fail?
What if you succeed?
Good question.
Small steps. Write 1 page a week.
1 page is possible.
I'll start drawing again too.
We can motivate each other.
Like college days.
Send me your sketches.
And you send me your stories.
Deal. Weekly check-in.
Every Sunday evening.
Perfect. No excuses.
Remember why we loved our dreams.
Writing makes me feel alive.
Drawing makes ideas real.
We were happy creating.
Happiness is important.
More than money sometimes.
Balance is needed.
Work for money, create for joy.
Beautiful words, teacher.
Thank you, student.
Let's bring back the travel list.
Yes, where should we go first?
Small trip first, maybe a weekend beach.
Good idea. Just relax.
Sun, sea, no work emails.
I can imagine it already.
Next year, bigger trip.
Europe? Paris and Italy?
Romantic cities.
As friends, of course.
Of course, best friends travel.
Save money every month.
I'll make a savings plan.
Me too. Small amount each salary.
Dreams need action.
You're motivating me today.
You're motivating me too.
We complete each other.
Let's walk in the park nearby.
Great idea. Fresh air.
Look at the trees, green and tall.
Birds singing everywhere.
Peaceful sound.
City parks are lifesavers.
Sit on this bench.
Yes, comfortable.
Remember our college park walks?
Talking for hours.
About life, love, future.
We were dreamers.
We can dream again.
Age is just a number.
Exactly. Start now.
No waiting for perfect time.
Perfect time is today.
Beautiful sunset starting.
Orange and pink sky.
Nature's painting.
Free and beautiful.
Like our friendship.
Sophia, thank you for today.
Thank you, Alex. I feel lighter.
Me too. Hope returned.
Dreams feel possible again.
Because we talked honestly.
Friends help us see clearly.
Always here for you.
Always here for you, too.
Weekly messages starting now.
First message tonight.
About progress.
Small wins matter.
Celebrate everything.
Yes, positive energy.
That's the end of our long story on English with Mr. E.
Did you learn new phrases about dreams, friendship, and motivation?
Practice them with your friends.
Like this video, subscribe, and comment. What is your dream?
Share with us. We read every comment.
Keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep smiling.
See you in the next story.
Bye for now.